Hello, this is a tutorial on how to braid hair. I have my model, her name is Lauren. The thing about braiding hair is that braiding hair doesn't work well if the hair is completely dry. So it's really important to get a wet piece of hair and keep the hair, well, just wet the hair and then braid. Braiding with dry hair requires a lot of skill for the more advanced braiders in this world. So, right, Lauren? So, you're gonna comb any section of hair. If you wanna just do a ponytail, then you would put the hair in a ponytail first and then just braid this. But what we're gonna do today is we're going to just braid this section of her hair just to get practice. So I'm gonna have you switch, okay. So you have this section of hair. You're gonna come from underneath it and you're going to split it into 3 sections. So I have a section here. Okay, and then I'm gonna do this section here. So now, what happens with braiding is you start from the outside and you cross over. It's best to do this with 2 hands. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this with 2 hands now. And I'm going to do it like this. The outer piece of hair crosses over the middle piece and you hold it with your finger. Then this other outer piece on my right, make sure it's in like a nice tight bunch. This outer piece then, see what I've got right here? So make sure your hands look like this. Then you're gonna cross this outer right piece into the middle. The out pieces cross the middle. So then I'm gonna go this outer piece on my left crossing the middle, and you hold it. This outer piece crossing the middle like that. This left outer piece crosses in the middle. And then this outer piece is gonna cross in the middle. So all I'm doing is I'm taking the outer piece and I'm crossing it to the middle. And then I grab the opposite side. Outer piece, cross in the middle, opposite side. Outer piece, cross the middle, opposite side. And you can go down to the very end and you tie it off with a rubber band with a hair tie. So, as you can see, okay, hold on. As you can see, please turn your head, Lauren. This braid is just the outer pieces coming in towards the middle, and then it's tied off at the end. And this is the tutorial on how to braid hair.